This dance is called Star Dancer. 52 count, 1 wall, and 2 tags. The tags are at wall 2 and wall 6. Let me start with section 1. Section 1, weave to your left. In front, side, behind, side. Cross rock recover, quarter cha-cha. So section 1 is weave to your left. Cross, side, behind, side. Cross rock recover, quarter cha-cha. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 2 forward, cross point. Forward, point, forward, point. 2 pedal quarter turn. Pedal quarter turn, pedal quarter turn. So section 2, forward, point, forward, point. Pedal quarter turn, pedal quarter turn. Section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, just box cross and sway your hip 4 times. Just box cross, cross, back, side, cross, sway your hip, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Section 3, just box cross, cross, back, side, cross, left, right, left, right. Section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, cross cha-cha rock recover. Cross cha-cha rock recover. Repeat. Cross cha-cha rock recover. Section 4, cross cha-cha rock recover. Cross cha-cha rock recover. Section 4 with the count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 5, do a left basic cha-cha. Rock, recover, back cha-cha. Back, recover, pivot half turn. Section 5, rock, recover, back cha-cha. Rock, recover, pivot half turn. Section 5 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now, section 6. Immediately do a quarter turn. Quarter turn and hold. Hold here. Transfer weight to your left. And do a side recover cha-cha-cha. So after your half turn from section 5, straight away do a quarter turn. Stop, hold, transfer weight, rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. So with the count, after your pivot half turn, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I repeat, after your pivot half turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, which is section 7. Side, recover, cha-cha-cha. So section 7 is side, recover, cha-cha-cha. With the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you finish the dance. So now there is a tag at end of wall 2. Is cross, recover, back, recover. So the tag is cross, recover, back, recover. With the count 1, 2, 3, 4.